afternoon and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. I'm Mark and I'm going to take you for a walk around our ML Triton, first registered 2008. We'll commence at the front of the car. As you can see, factory fog lights on the car. We have the large flares being the GLXR factory alloy wheels. The alloy wheels on the car actually unscuffed all around the entire car. You see all the chrome trim on the outer shell of the mirror and the door handles. Side steps as well. And the Duco of the car coming down this right hand side in really good order for a Triton. Obviously hasn't seen a lot of work. As we move around to the back of the car, you see the sports bars on the back have the factory hard lid, lockdown hard lid. As we open it up, you see we've also got the factory tub liner in the car. Having a look at the tub liner as well, you notice that it's pretty unscathed, so it hasn't been a lot of stuff put in the back of this car. You also notice we've got the factory tow bar fitted, the actual tow bar tongue we keep inside the car just for safety purposes. 2.5 tonne towing on the ML. And then moving down this left hand side of the car, very similar the way it presents to the right hand. Duco pretty much unmarked. I'm struggling to find a mark on this car. Side steps obviously once again down both sides of the car in really good order for a first registered 2008 Triton. Moving around under the bonnet just to have a look at the motor and the driveline of the car. 3.2 litre common rail diesel, looking at 118 kilowatts and a fuel consumption 9.1 litres combined per 100 k's. So really good consumption in the Tritons. I know a few people that do own them and they get super mileage out of a tank of diesel, so yeah, great motoring. Now running through the interior of the Triton, we start with all your power window controls on the driver's armrest, your power mirror buttons just up on the front of the armrest there, and just next to it, which you probably struggle to see, factory Bluetooth buttons as well. A really good setup from factory with the Bluetooth in the Triton. Steering wheel's adjustable in height, as you can see, up and down. Set it in position so you can see all your dials on the dash really easily. Trip computer's also there in front of you on the dash. Leather wrapped steering wheel being the GLXR. And moving down into the centre console section, you'll see just up in the middle of the dash here, gives you all your printed out information on the fuel consumption of the car, distance to empty. You can just run through all the different options you have there, temperature as well. All your heating and cooling controls just in the centre there, just above the CD player. MP3 compatible as well. And then moving down into your 5-speed gear stick there, and then your control for your 4-wheel drive. Really easy function in the Triton, just straight up, then across and up if you want to get into 4-wheel drive. So the way the car's designed, it's designed to be driven really simply. When you need to make any alterations to your driveline, you can without a problem. Also, you will notice just this extra button on the back of the console is for the rear window. It is actually electric in this car, so you can wind the window up and down just to get a bit of extra air through the car. So you've got basically 5 power windows in the GLXR. Just having a look at the service books, as you can see, privately owned car from new, originally purchased from Werribee Mitsubishi. And when we go to the books, we'll just run through every single interval services have been done. All done at Werribee Mitsubishi every 15,000 k's. All the way through to current service, which has just been done by our service department when they did their full check of the car. So from a mechanical point of view, been really well maintained, and you would expect that to be ongoing in the future. Thanks for taking the time to have a look at the video of our blue GLXR Mitsubishi Triton ML series. Hope the information that you've seen gives you a really good idea of the quality of the car. If you've got any further questions, please call us 9907 0555. Thanks again.